Are you ready, dealer? It's your turn, okay? Towel coming. Dealer, come on. Come on, dealer. Come on. Dealer. Hi, everyone. This is Dollar, the Chihuahua Pomeranian. And this is Dealer, the Alaskan Creole Pomeranian. Today, we're going to test out who is the smarter dog. Dealer, go back. Dealer, go back. So for the first test, we need a towel because we have to toss a towel over Dollar's head and see how long Dollar will take to get free from the towel. Okay, Dollar, you ready for your first test? Towel is coming. Come on, Dollar. Dollar, come here. Dollar. Come on, you can do this. Yes! What? 14 seconds. Alright, your turn, dealer. Towel coming. That's fast. 2 seconds, dealer. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so for test number 2, we're supposed to show the dog a treat. And then when the dog is watching, put the treat on the floor and lay a towel over it. Dealer. Dollar will start first. Dealer, excuse me. Okay, the treat is here. Leave it. Covering it. And then we'll start the stopwatch. Okay. Do you get it? Yes! 19 seconds. Dealer, it's your turn. Okay, I'm gonna put the treat here. Wait. And then cover this with a towel. Okay, ready? Okay. Yes! Good girl. 13 seconds. For the next test, the dog will need to find a treat hidden under one of these 3 cups. If Dollar gets right on the first attempt, she gets 2 points. If she finds it within 2 minutes, she gets 1 point, and if she doesn't find it, she gets 0 points. Are you ready to start? Okay, Dollar, listen. I'm going to put this chicken into this cup over here. Are you ready? Okay. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Okay, it's your turn, dealer. I'm gonna put this chicken treat over here. This one, okay? This one. Alright? Okay, dealer. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, this final test is a test of memory where I'll put the chicken treats under one of these 3 cups, and then Dollar and Dealer has to go into the house, and if they choose the correct one, they get points. Okay, Dollar's gonna go first. Dollar, look, chicken treats gonna go here. Okay, this one. Alright, remember? Dollar, this one, look. Dollar, look. You sure you don't wanna look? Okay, come on, let's go to the house. Okay, Dollar, go in the house. Go in the house. See you in 30 seconds. 30 seconds has passed. Dollar! Which one? Which one, Dollar? Yes! Good girl! Good girl! Dealer, you ready for your last and final test? I'm going to put this chicken treat, Dealer, this one, over here. Okay? Are you ready? Dealer, look at this one, huh? Okay, come, let's go into the house. Come. 30 seconds has passed. Come on, Dealer. Good girl. Which one? Which one? Good girl! Good girl! We come to the end of the video. Both Dollar and Dealer got the same points, so I think they're both really clever puppies. We hope you enjoyed this video. Dollar and Dealer had lots of fun making it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye!